What if the ocean is not just water? What if it is a door, a hiding place, a warning sign? For over 80 years, ships, airplanes, and humans have disappeared without a trace in a region of the Atlantic known as the Bermuda Triangle. No wreckage, no SOS, no survivors, not even a final goodbye. Scientists blamed nature, conspiracy believers blamed the unknown. But today, we are not just exploring the mystery. Today, we are investigating it, decoding it, and solving it. So fasten your seatbelt, because this story gets darker, deeper, and stranger than you ever imagined. Part 1. The Map of Fear. First, let's understand the location. The Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined region between Miami, Florida, Bermuda Island, San Juan, Puerto Rico. If you connect these 3 dots, you form a triangle in the Atlantic Ocean. Over 500,000 square miles of deep ocean. This area is one of the most heavily traveled shipping and airplane routes in the world. So logically, if something goes missing here, people will notice. But here's the terrifying part. It's not just the number of disappearances. It's the way they disappear. No distress call, no debris, no explanation. Almost like the ocean does not destroy them. It takes them. Part 2. The first incident that shocked the world. The year was December 5th, 1945. 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, took off from Florida on a routine training mission. Everything was normal. Until the leader suddenly radioed. "This is strange. Both my compasses are malfunctioning." Minutes later, greater than, "We can't tell where we are. The ocean doesn't look normal." And then the transmission becomes chilling. Greater than, "We are not sure where we are. Everything is wrong. Even the ocean." Then silence. Not one plane returned. The U.S. Navy immediately sent a rescue aircraft with 13 crew members to locate them. But here's the twist. That rescue plane also disappeared. In total, 5 planes, 14 crew members, 0 wreckage, 0 explanation. To this day, nothing has been found. Part 3. More disappearances that defy logic. This wasn't a one-time event. Let me give you a few cases that shook the world. The Ellen Austin Incident, 1881. A ship finds another ship floating normally, but with no crew, no storm damage, lifeboats untouched, food still on the table. So sailors board it, tie it to their own ship, and start sailing. At night, a storm begins. Morning comes, their own ship is fine. But the other ship, gone. Crew and ship vanished together. Again. USS Cyclops, 1918. A massive Navy ship carrying 309 people, 10,000 tons of cargo, sent a normal message saying weather is fine. After that, it vanished completely. No SOS, no remains, no explanation. Even the ocean's floor search found nothing. The Star Tiger and Star Aerial planes, 1948 and 1949. 2 passenger airplanes flying same route, same region, 1 year apart. Both reported clear weather, normal flights. Both disappeared from radar. Both carried people who were never seen again. Not a single suitcase floated up. Part 4. Impossible patterns. If this was just accidents, then explain this. Small planes vanished. Giant ships vanished. Modern navigation failed. Weather sometimes normal. No emergency messages sent. Victims didn't say, greater than, "We are crashing." They said, "We don't know where we are," which means they were not dying. They were lost in something that cannot be mapped. Part 5. The scientific theories. Let's analyze logical explanations one by one. 1. Magnetic anomaly. This area is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This can confuse compasses. But would compasses fail at the same time for ships, planes, trained pilots, and radio operators? Unlikely. 2. Methane gas explosions from ocean floor. Scientists discovered large pockets of methane under the seabed. If released, it can reduce water density and sink ships instantly. Possible. But it does not explain. Airplanes disappearing. No wreckage, no explosions reported. No debris floating. 3. Rogue waves giant. Sudden waves can destroy ships. But again, this doesn't apply to planes flying thousands of feet above. Science explains some incidents, but not the pattern. Something is still missing. Part 6. The unofficial theories. Now we enter the territory science avoids. 1. Underwater alien base. Some sonar scans detected pyramid-like structures underwater. Not natural mountain shapes, but sharp engineered forms. Could something intelligent be living below? Some sailors reported strange glowing lights rising from under the water before disappearances. Coincidence or surveillance? 2. Vortex or wormhole. Many pilots said, "The sky looks strange. The ocean looks strange." Some scientists believe the region has space-time distortion, a natural portal that might swallow objects. 3. Military experiments. What if this area was used for secret technology tests? Radars, invisibility projects, or teleportation research? No government has ever given full access to data from this region, which raises a question. What if the mystery is not unsolved, but hidden? Part 7. The most chilling evidence. In 1970, a cargo ship passed through the triangle. Crew reported, the ocean suddenly calmed too much, compass spinning rapidly. Sky turned yellowish, radio static noise like whispering. Time felt different. One sailor said on record, "It felt like the world was buffering." Minutes later, everything returned to normal. They escaped, but thousands didn't. Part 8. So, what is the most logical truth? After analyzing every possibility, there are only 3 realistic conclusions. 1. The triangle is a natural anomaly we don't fully understand yet. 2. Something intelligent exists there, underwater or beyond. 3. The disappearances are real. The explanations are controlled. And here's the strongest clue. If it was just bad weather, storms, or human error, we would find wreckage, we would find bodies, we would receive distress calls. But instead, we get silence. Silence is not evidence of death. Silence is evidence of removal. Part 9. Final statement. The Bermuda Triangle is not just a mystery of disappearance. It is a mystery of vanishing without evidence. Not destruction, not accident, but erasure. And maybe the ocean is not hiding answers from us. Maybe it is protecting them. And that brings us to the end of this mystery. The Bermuda Triangle is not just a place on the map. It's a question mark in the history of our world. Maybe one day science will solve it. Maybe one day someone will return with answers. Or maybe this mystery was never meant to be solved. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think this is science, a supernatural force, or something the world is hiding? Comment your theories below, and if you enjoyed this deep mystery investigation, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Because on this channel, we don't just tell stories, we uncover the truth hidden in the shadows. Stay curious, stay brave, and I'll see you in the next mystery. Goodbye for now.